as well have some fun here, huh? Dad and I are going for a ride.
Yeah.
In his sporty sports car.
This is basically a motorcycle with a cab over it. You don't have much time. Oh, excuse me. My foot sticks there on the side. There's not much room. One thing, you can't go over gravel very fast with this. It's too light. We used to be in Hollywood. They had a bunch of kids.
Oh, something to share.
And the kids started growing up fast. That isn't holding very steady right now, is it?
No, it's not.
Just zooming along.